Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I think this is a wrong question during these days. Uh, yes, all of us are facing a different situation which we have never expected, and especially the students who are appearing for exams and who have a lot of hopes about their career might be completely disturbed. And this is a small attempt to tell you that there are six things that you need to do when you are at home during this period of lockdown and make sure that you stay away from all this chaos, perplexity, and so many things. Alright, there are six things that can keep you away from worries during these pandemics and natural disasters. A small attempt to tell you that wherever you are, whatever you do, just follow these six steps. This will definitely help you to reduce the stress level and the frustration that you are undergoing in this moment. The first important thing is common reactions during this kind of disasters and pandemics. Number one, fear and anxiety. Number two, grief and loss. Some people out there are losing a lot of things. A lot of people, their relatives, friends, family members. There's a lot of anger and confusion because we expect government to take care of everything, literally A to Z of everything, and that is not happening. So we keep getting annoyed very frequently. Number four, sadness and emptiness. We come to a conclusion that everything is just over. Number four, denial. And we keep expecting people to help us out, and they just deny doing many things. And number six, guilt. And we always have planned to do something, desired to do something, and we tried to do something, but we could not do it. So, this is actually giving us a lot of frustration, and moreover, sitting at home, this is also giving us a lot of headache. And the last but not the least, all of us are undergoing, and maybe many people during these days are undergoing something that is called shock. Yes, people do have a shock. Hearing the news from different parts of the globe, hearing the news about people dying, hearing the news about industries shutting down, hearing the news that people being laid off, hearing the news that salaries are cut off, hearing the news that colleges are shut down, academies are shut down, so many things. Yes, I want to tell you that yes, these things we will definitely face. If in case these things are not happening to us, we are not human beings. And I would request all of you, my dear students, to stay motivated and to stay active by following these six things that I'm going to highlight here. Number one, try to engage in activities that keeps you away from perplexity. There could be many activities that you have decided to do. There were so many activities that you planned to do, but you could not do. Instead of worried about these things that are happening around you, it's better to start doing those things, right? The second important thing is try to do certain things which makes you, keeps you emotionally better. Like some of you would like to singing, start singing. Some of you would like to playing, but of course you're not supposed to go out. You are supposed to do anything, all things, everything inside the home. And try to connect with good people, call them, talk to them, and try to establish a kind of rapport, talk good things, and this will definitely ease our mind from these disturbances. And try exploring the ways if this kind of a situation happens next, if this kind of a situation or worse than this happens next, what would be the solution? Maybe some of you are without savings right now. Some of you are without having any plan. Yes, most of us, we never expected this is going to happen. Had I really expected that this would happen, I would have actually kept some money aside. I would have planned properly, right? But these things will not tell us before they arrive. So you need to find out a solution and think about the next level options, like how governments are doing nowadays, right? Next thing, always have a faith. If you believe in God, have a faith in God. If you believe in yourself, have a faith in yourself. That is the only funda that you have to learn. Instead of blaming that no, God will not do, why should God do something to you? when these kind of things have been created by humans, and these are because of human activities across the globe, and we need to, maybe there is a reason for this to happen. As you all know, age old proverb says that there is a reason for everything that happens around us. And the last but not the least, I'm telling you guys, these days you stop hearing traumatic information or receiving traumatic information through social media and start, getting a kind of reaction that you try to give. Because yes, when I see some post, I too want to react. When somebody talks about religion, I too want to react. When somebody talks about my language, I too want to react. When somebody talks about my state that it is not doing very well, I too want to react. And somebody talks about something, yeah. When these things are happening, yes, we do want to react, but I'm telling you guys, these things will definitely increase more stress. So stay home, stay safe, and try to follow these 6 things that will definitely give us a peace of mind. And we hope that this kind of a situation or this situation will be eased in the coming days. And I pray for all of you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.